But IFR-LIFR conditions can also not be ruled out in the event of a locally heavier shower. Kept for now until confidence increases with future updates. Winds throughout the period will be breezy at times, with mainly southwest winds ranging in magnitude from 8 to 12 kt. Brief gusts of up to 20 knots are possible at GL. Highlights of solar and geomagnetic activity 24 to 30 July 2023. Solar activity was reached moderate levels. A total of 11 R1 minor events were observed during the reporting period from 4 different active regions. The largest event was an M4.6 flare at 26/1037 UTC from region 3376, and 23, L equals 228, class/area equals SO/180 on 18 Jul. The region also produced an M4.1 flare at 28/1158 UTC with an associated Type 2 radio sweep just as it rotated beyond the NW limb. Other activity included a Type 2 radio sweep on 24 Jul which was associated with activity on the far side. An additional Type 2 radio sweep was observed on 29 Jul from activity just beyond the NE limb. A filament eruption, centered near N27E25 and approximately 28 degrees in length, began erupting after 28/2030 UTC. The event produced an Earth-directed CME signature in subsequent coronagraph imagery. The event was analyzed and modeled with the results suggesting arrival over 01-02 August. 2 greater than 10 MeV proton enhancements were observed during the week. The first was observed beginning on 24 Jul. It was likely associated with energetic activity on the far side and did not reach the 10 Fu S1 minor threshold. The second event was associated with the M4.1 flare from the vicinity of region 3376 just beyond the NW limb. The greater than 10 MeV proton flux levels began to increase shortly after the flare and reached the S1 event threshold at 29/0020 UTC. The event had a peak flux of 154 Fu S2 moderate at 29/0920 UTC. Flux levels decreased below the S1 threshold by 30/1000. Area Forecast Discussion National Weather Service Albany NY 437 AM EDT Thursday, August 3, 2023. A low-pressure system will approach the region today and tonight and cross it Friday and Friday evening bringing rounds showers and thunderstorms the area. Fair weather with seasonable temperatures for the weekend with high pressure building in. Near term /through tonight / Unsettled weather returns to the area. A deepening upper-level trough will be on the approach from the Great Lakes region. Chances for scattered convection will increase as the day progresses and spread southward across the area. Forcing from an embedded short wave will coincide with diurnal heating with SPAPE of 1000 to 1500 J/K expected by late afternoon mainly across the northwestern half of our forecast area along with an 0-6 km shear of 25 to 35 kt. Fairly steep mid-level lapse rates will develop of around 6.5 deg/km leading to the threat large hail along with gusty winds within the strongest storms late in the day and during evening. The Storm Prediction Center has the northwestern half of our forecast area, Schoharie Valley across the Capital District into portions of southern VT and for areas to the north and west, in a marginal risk for severe storms with a small portion of the western Adirondacks in a slight risk. Chances for convection will continue through the night with large-scale ascent as height falls occurs as the trough axis approaches. Precipitation water values are forecast to increase to around 1/3 inches so storms will be capable of locally heavy rainfall. The Weather Prediction Center has our area in a marginal risk for isolated flash flooding. Another chilly start to the day with readings mainly in the 50s with some 40 seconds. With southerly flow temperatures are expected to warm to near seasonable levels despite increasing cloud cover and expected storms with highs in 70 seconds to lower 80 seconds. Milder tonight with lows in the 60s below 1,000 feet and in the 50s above that. Short term / Friday through Saturday night / More numerous convection for Friday as the upper trough axis and embedded short wave cross the region, sweeping a cold front through. Isolated to scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are expected, along with storms producing locally heavy rainfall. The Storm Prediction Center has upgraded a majority of the forecast area to slight risk for severe storms centered across the Capital District, with marginal risk across the rest of the forecast area.